Hello there, great people. I hope you are doing well. Greetings from Portugal. Nuno here once again, today with another video. And since it is the 21st of September and the UPS guy just delivered this box, it is the iPhone XS unboxing, and that's what I'm going to do. But since this is my first experience on Apple, order online, and since I saw so many boxes of those on YouTube, and also I want to see if everything is okay inside. Let's first make this, UPS box unboxing, okay, to see if everything is okay, and then we'll clean up the table and we'll do a proper unboxing. Let's go ahead. Very well. Let's see. Let's open. Let's see if it isn't difficult. Wow, nice. Here it is, a fancy box, and inside the new iPhone XS. So I will clean the box, change the cameras, and I will be right back. Very well, people. So here we are with a clean table, the date over there, that's important. iPhone XS, 64 gigs, the same capacity as my current phone, and on the background the iPhone 8 also with 64 gigs. Just for measure, this is, the box of the iPhone 8. This is a little bit taller, okay? I don't know if you can see it. I hope so. Now, let's go ahead to the main star of the show. And, it is nice, the box. You already know the design. I would prefer, since this is the space gray, a black box, but okay, black with black, it will be difficult. But as you can see there, also it is a space gray. Now, let's go ahead without further ado and without further rambling. Here it is, the flap. Let's see if I can pick this with my lapel mic over here. Yeah, it is stuck. Yeah, very well. Nice. Okay, let's put this aside over here, and let's go ahead, and I hope you can see it. Let's pop up. It's always a nice experience, guys, to open an Apple product. I hope they maintain that. Now, let's see. Designed by Apple in California, as always. Let's see what's in the box. I have to learn all these steps because I'm used to the Touch ID, I skipped the iPhone X, and let's see if this phone with the Face ID, it is, better. So this is all the literature regarding all the new gestures. Let's put this to the sides. Olá, this is in Portuguese. Ciao in Italiano. The eject SIM tool, I will need that. And all the papers and the famous Apple stickers. So let's put this aside for a moment over there. And let's pick here the phone. Nice. Very, very nice. Incredible. Let me see here heavier. It is definitely heavier. The iPhone 8 was heavy, but this one, it is heavier, and it is a little bit thick, a little bit, I think it's it's a little bit thick, more than that. Okay, let's go ahead, put this to the side and see what's in the box. We'll be right away with that. So, European charger, not, a fast charger, but European charger. It will stay on the box. I have plenty of those. Sorry, I'm a little bit with the flu. And then we'll have the earpods with no dongle. I have spare dongles, so this will be in the box, as well as the USB to Lightning cable over there. This is all staying here, since I have plenty of those and I charge my phone through my Apple Cinema display. Now, Let's see here what's inside. Let's put this here for a little bit, and let's check here the phone. Now, seems, good grip, very nice. Let's go ahead and peel this. It will be a mess afterwards, but well, let's go ahead and let me see if I can pick it. Okay. I think everyone likes this sound. I don't know why, but well, it is good to see. So I already can see here the notch, over here. The phone seems quite nice. I don't know if you can pick that. I don't know if you can see. I'm recording in 4K. It is main difference is the speakers are not speakers and microphone are not symmetrical, as you can see. For the first time, there is an antenna here. I don't know. That this antenna means a purpose, of course. That's why they didn't made it symmetrical. Now, I cannot match this to an iPhone 10, but feels very nice, very premium in the hand, guys. I think very nice. Well, so let's turn this on. Let's turn this on. I hope, okay. Perfect, man. Incredible. Very nice. So you have, this is not the home button anymore. This is the side button, I believe. And, it is difficult to see. Lower up and lower volume and silent button, and the SIM ejector over here. Let me put my glasses. Why I'm not with my glasses? Man, the screen, it's amazing. Perfect. So let's do the first swipe. I hope you can pick it, guys. Let's choose my language, Portuguese. I'm in Portugal. Very well. I'm not seeing any dead pixels for now. Yeah. Configure manually. I'll be right back, okay, guys? I will configure the Wi-Fi and everything, and I'll be right back. Okay, after my personal data, let's see the true tone. I had to agree without true tone. I prefer without true tone. I use it there without true tone, so I believe I prefer without true tone. Okay, continue. And this is, explaining you all the new gestures, changing between apps very well. Hope it is in frame, as you can see it. Okay, control center, very well. And your iPhone gives you the welcome. Swipe up, and here we are with the new wallpapers. The same wallpaper, that I show you here, but I had to download it. And guys, this seems amazing, Of course, this iPhone, it isn't, it is downloading all my apps now. And guys, for now, this is it. This is the unboxing. I didn't set up yet the Face ID. I will mess with all the things. There is already, something here to finish my, configuration of the phone. And nice to see. So guys, expect, of course, all the details, regarding comparison between last year phone, the iPhone 8, but with the A11 Bionic, regarding the A12. And what I want to see, in fact, is, the Face ID, everything will be new to me. So, guys, I hope you like it. And, of course, I'll do the Geekbench and everything, testing the apps, and running betas, and if everything runs well, it is good to me, you know, and of course I think it will be good also to you to see how this phone works and if it's good or not for you to buy. So thank you so much for watching. Sorry for the excitement, but you know you know how it works. And stay safe, guys. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.